Hi all, welcome to my channel again. So today we are going to discuss about mastering secrets in Kubernetes. In the previous session we have discussed about the config maps which will store the config data. Here secrets both will be like similar but not all like exactly similar. So there is a slight difference between the both of them, but both are used to store the sum of the data. So I will explain that in this session. So please watch until the end. So if you want to check out this blog, you can check that from this link which I will be keeping in the description box. And in this session, I'm going to discuss about what is a secret and how we can apply our secrets using the deployment YAML, that is a task. So let's see. Secrets are Kubernetes objects intended for storing a small amount of sensitive data. It is worth nothing that secrets are stored in base 64 encoded with Kubernetes, so they are not widely secure. To create the secret, choose a password and convert it to base 64. Choose a password and convert it to base 64 as shown in the below example. So secrets means, in the previous session we have discussed about config maps. Config maps, what it will do, it will store the data to get accessed by the pods. And here secrets, that is a non-sensitive data. Config maps, here it is a sensitive data, and this secrets are Kubernetes objects, so it will store like only small amount of sensitive data, so it is worth nothing that secrets. So secrets are normally stored in base 64 encoded format. So that's how they are stored. To create the secret, choose a password. So let's suppose say this is the password and convert into base 64. To convert that into base 64, we just use the pipe symbol and base 64. Then when we hit enter, then it will generate like shown here. So that's how the base 64 encoded format will get created. So that's how it gets stored. Secrets in Kubernetes. So first create a secret YAML which includes the base 64 encoded password. Here first we are creating, see, normally we will be having one password that we will not store directly. We will convert that into base 64 encoded format, then we will store that in the secrets. So here you can see the kind is a secret. For before sessions I have which I have explained, for deployment YAML, kind is a deployment. For config maps YAML, kind is a config map. Here since we are creating a secret YAML, the kind will be the secret. The metadata, so which is nothing but my secret, which is the name of the secret, and where it is where we are applying this in this namespace my. So here you can see the namespace name. So here we are creating this secret, so that's why we have declared the metadata like that, name and the namespace, name of the secret and the namespace. So type opaque and the data which we are going to store is a password. So how it got generated, so normally whatever the password which we will be having, we will convert that into the base 64 encoded format, then we will include that in the secret YAML. Here if you see, we have this password which we have converted into the base 64 format, and we got this that we have declared in the secret YAML. So to add the password in the above file, first we need to generate, first you need to do this, and then we can add the password in the above file like this. So now you can save and run the secret YAML file. So to run the secret YAML file, we use the kubectl apply -f secret YAML command, same as how we run the deployment YAML and config-map.yaml in the previous session that you can go and watch first. Then you can go through this so that it will be easier for you to understand like what is what. So here we are using kubectl apply -f since we are here applying secret YAML here. So we have defined that, then we are giving the namespace flag, and then we are here mentioning whatever the namespace which we are applying this secret to. So once you run this command, then secret slash and the secret name which we have declared in the secret YAML here. So the metadata here, name, which will be having the secret name, which is a my secret. Here my secret got created. Okay. So using this YAML, we have applied that to a specific namespace where our secret got created. Now change the deployment YAML file to include the configuration of this secret in the deployment. So to apply the secrets which we have created in the deployment YAML, we need to change the deployment YAML file to include our configuration of this secret. So this is the deployment YAML. Here kind is the deployment. So this is the deployment YAML which will be having the basic details like the name of the deployment and the labels, replicas, and the image details and the port which it is exposed to, and the environment. In this session we can declare our secret. The name of this secret will be the environment -secret, and the value where it should take from. Here we are declaring the same. Similarly, you can think of the environment variable which is like key value pair. So first here we are declaring the name which is a env-secret, and the value it should fetch from secret key reference my secret. So here my secret, when it is calling env-secret, it should go to this my secret file, YAML file, and it should fetch the password from there. Whenever this name is calling, the value should be the password from the my secret YAML. So when we run the deployment YAML, we can check the status of the deployment and the secret which will be running. So here the secret which we have created, that is running, and the deployment is running. Here type of a queue which we have defined here. So these are the commands to see whatever the secrets or the deployments which are running in a specific namespace. For checking that, we use the -n flag to check for only a specific namespace, because a cluster can be having a number of namespaces. So since we are applying this to only one namespace, we can check that like this using the -n flag. So this is the secret and this is the deployment. Now check the detailed view of this secret created in Kubernetes using the describe command. Using the describe command, we can check the secret YAML file like this. So here for this namespace, we are checking the secrets. So my secret will be having the password like this. Here you can see it will not show the password here. So now check the running pods. So we can go inside the pod using the kubectl exec command, which I have already. These are all I have already explained in the previous session, which is similar like config map. So same step. So I am not going that much deep. You can go and watch those videos for detailed like explanation. So here navigate to this pod to view the environment variables. So print env will fetch all the environment variables which were present inside the pod. So here env-secret equal to this password you can see here. So this has fetched this password. So that's how we use secrets in deployment AMLs to apply to any specific ports. That's all for today. Thanks for watching until then, and I have mentioned everything in this blog. If you want to check out this blog, you can check that from this link which I will be keeping in the description box. And thanks for watching.